Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, let's prepare an order with me. First of all, clear the dust particle through the tape. Make sure your mold is clear. I can't say it's a full tutorial because I couldn't record every step of it for some reason. So here we go, let's smear epoxy on resin. Since I'm using 2:1 resin hardener, so firstly pour resin, then the half amount of hardener. Mix it well and slowly to prevent the bubbles. Mix it at least 3 minutes. So here I'm using 𝒑𝒂𝒈𝒄𝒆 in different colors like purple, white, yellow and rose petal also, and some baby breaths. Let's pour some resin first. In this pendant, the customer wants a mixed flower with a transparent base, so I'm using all the flower that I have. Using heat torch to pop out the bubbles. Don't heat it too closely, so be careful. After arranging flowers, I also add gold flakes. It's looking mess now, but trust the process. Let it dry and let's move to the next pendant. And for this pendant, the customer wants a pink base, rose petals and baby breath on top of it. The color I'm using is a mica powder. Unfortunately, I couldn't record some steps because my phone storage is running out. Okay, for the next pendant, the customer wants a name on it, so I had the name printed in the form of a sticker. Let's stick it, and here we go. Ta-da! As you can see, I use white color as the base, and for flowers, I use purple and yellow 𝒑𝒂𝒈𝒄𝒆. Let's pour second layer of resin. I have pasted the sticker into the completely dry layer, so keep that in your mind. There you go. I remove all the bubbles through heat torch, so let it dry completely. It takes approximately 8 to 9 hours. Now these are totally dry and ready. I like how it's turned out. It has sharp edges, so I use sandpaper to smoothen the edges. I'm using hand drill to clear the obstruction in the hole. I use metallic paint for paint the edges to give some finishing look. There you go. If you like my video, like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Also follow me on Instagram. Link is mentioned in the description box, and also I pinned the comment, so check that out. Let's put the chain in it. Thank you for watching till the end.